Hey there, and welcome back to Regal Mobility for part 2 of our unboxing of a GoGo Sport mobility scooter. If you missed part 1, I recommend checking it out, but for now, let's take a look at how easy the GoGo Sport is to assemble. First step, grab both the metal post and the bag for the owner's manual. Go ahead and retrieve one of the larger metal pins from out of the bag. Now, insert the metal post into the seat post hole near the rear of the scooter. Use the metal pin to secure the seat post into place. Next up, grab the battery and place it into the designated battery cutout on the floor of the scooter. Now, grab your chair and lower it into the seat post. The seat should also lock automatically. Now we're almost there, just a few more steps. Grab the two armrests and insert them into the brackets on each side of the scooter. Now locate the smaller of the metal pins and insert it into the bracket before tightening the knob to lock the arms in place. Finally, you can attach the front basket by sliding it onto its mount. Just like that, your GoGo Sport is ready to roll. Stay tuned for more mobility-related content, and be sure to like and follow Regal Mobility to stay up to date.